Hey guys, welcome back to Steffi D Creates. If you're new, welcome to my channel. We make really fun DIYs and crafts on here, and we are in the middle of our holiday gift guide. If you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe button and click the notifications bell so you are the first to know when Steffi D Creates videos come out. You never want to miss a video, so make sure you click that button. Today we're going to be making something that is so fun. As you know, Santa's always watching you, right? To know if you're naughty or nice. Well, how does he watch you? We're gonna be making these awesome Santa cam ornaments. Aren't these so cool? And you get these little lenses and it looks like an actual camera. You can really trick the kids into thinking Santa's watching them. I love these and they're so easy to make and not expensive. I found the lenses at Dollar Tree, which is awesome. I think they're hilarious. They're great to hang on your tree and let your kids know that, you know, Santa's always watching. Even if you have an elf on a shelf, the elf could be using the camera too. So you can put elf cam as well. There's so many options you can do with this. You can change the color of the glitter. And once you learn how to make the glitter ornaments, you can make any kind of glitter ornaments. It doesn't have to be a Santa cam. There are so many options. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com. Links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below so you can make your own Santa cam or glitter ornament too. I can't wait to show you how to make these, so let's get started. Come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. A plastic ornament, red glitter, liquid hairspray, a white paint pen, a mini lens for your cell phone, a black marker, and a hot glue gun. The first thing we're going to do is to take our ornament and our hairspray, and we're going to spray enough hairspray in there that it coats the inside. So I like to put a lot in and swirl it all around. You want to make sure that the hairspray gets everywhere. So go ahead and do about 10 sprays to start, and then you want to swirl it around and make sure that all of the hairspray is coating the inside of the ornament. If you need to add more, go ahead. Once it's coated, if you have a little bit extra, you can pour it out. Then we're going to take our red glitter and we're just gonna pour a bunch into the ornament. So you wanna make sure you have a really good amount in there. So pour it on in there, and then the same thing we did with the hairspray, you're gonna swirl it around so it coats everywhere that we put hairspray. And if you need to add more, keep adding until your ornament is fully coated. Make sure you're getting all the way up close to the top. And if you have any excess, you can just pour it right back into your glitter bottle. Then you're gonna take your mini lens, and I actually found these for $1 at Dollar Tree, which is pretty awesome. And your black marker, and I like to black out the underside of the lens, that way you can't see the red glitter underneath. So just take your marker and fill in that glass. Then you're gonna take your hot glue gun and you put a ring of hot glue around the lens and press it right on into the middle of the ornament. Let that dry for a couple seconds, and then we're gonna take our white paint pen and I'm gonna write Santa on the top and cam underneath it. It's totally up to you how you wanna design this. I'm just keeping it super simple. Let your paint pen dry and put the top back in your ornament. And now you're ready to hang it on your tree. Tell your kids that Santa has gotten super technical and has now installed cameras that go directly to the North Pole and he can watch you all the time. I just love this idea and think it's so cute. Enjoy. So these are pretty cool, right? I told you you're gonna love them, and we use hairspray. How awesome is that? You don't even have to buy glue. You can get really cheap liquid hairspray. That's so cool. That's one of the reasons that I love this project. If you liked today's video too, don't forget to click that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you liked it and I can make more videos just like this for you. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com. Links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest to stay up to date with behind the scenes information, tips and tricks, more life hacks, DIYs. There's so much more on there, so go ahead and give me a follow. I really hope you liked today's video. I had a lot of fun making it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.